there is a very light pencil.
4H.
The H is a light pencil. It's also very hard pencil. The B is softer compared to the H. So the H start from like a 6H. Some have an 8H, 7H. And the bigger number of the H is harder, right? When you go all the way up to 1H, it's a little bit softer. When you get to HB, it's right in the middle. And then you go into 1B and get softer and softer all the way to 6B, or 7B, 8B, and get softer and softer, also darker and darker. So where are you going to start with? Should you start with the lightest or the darkest?
Lightest.
I will start from the middle.
Oh.
Because you just try to draw the big shape. Why you want to start with the lightest?
So that you don't see it later on.
Oh, no. You should have a little bit more confidence on yourself. It's just like use HB or 1B. I will start from there. It's easier to draw and easier to erase. After you do that, and you want to gradually develop into darker and darker, so when you get into the darkest point, and use the 3B, 4B, 6B, and for the darkest area. For when you work in the highlight, and some area, very subtle change, and then you use a little lighter and lighter and lighter pencil for those subtle details. Does that make sense to you? Start from the middle. Like over here, you got a 2B, right? You got a 2B. I'm going to draw it right here. Okay, easy to draw that. And making sure you get it in the right place. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to use this 2B. I'm going to shade it a big shape. It's simple, easy to shade. Okay. And outside with the 2B, it's easy to shade it like that. And now I've got a little bit darker and darker over here. For the catch the shadow, I'm going to use 3B or 4B. Right, does that make sense? Because it's darker. And I'm going to shade it over here. Like this. As you should do darker graphite pencil. Like that. Right, and you can use even darker area and use 6B. And right here, 6B.
That might not be dark enough.
That's pretty dark. And you can blend it. And easy to blend when they have a soft pencil. And over here, a little bit darker. So use a darker pencil for the darker area, right? Like it's easier. When you get to this side, you will use a little harder, like say 2H. Now I'm gonna come over here. Now you can draw it a little bit lighter. So for lighter details. And you can go on this side a little bit lighter too. Gradually turn over here. So use a little lighter pencil.